24. The absolute value of negative 10 plus 6. Remember, these are kind of like parentheses, so we can go ahead and do this since parentheses are first. So now we have the absolute value of negative 4. Then times, well, we have exponents, so that's like negative 3. It's not like negative 3. It is negative 3 times negative 3. That's 9. We're going to take the absolute value. That's 4. 4 times 9 is 36. In parentheses, we have 4 squared divided by negative 2. And then add negative 7. So we go inside the parentheses first. And inside the parentheses, we've got an exponent. 4 squared is 16. 16 divided by negative 2 is negative 8. And then we had this plus negative 7 just hanging out there waiting on us. So negative 8, and then we're going to add some more negatives. It's negative 15. Negative 3 cubed plus 15 minus 9. Negative 3 cubed is negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. Well, that's 9 times negative 3, which is negative 27. I don't know what that was. Negative 27 plus, and now we can do those because they're in parentheses. 15 minus 9 is 6. Negative 27 plus 6 is negative 21. 6 minus 8 inside of parentheses, then it's squared. Okay, so let's go inside those parentheses and do that. 6 minus 8 is negative 2. Then it's being squared. That is 4. Plus 12 divided by negative 3. So now we did all this, and then we can do 12 divided by negative 3. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this. I'm going to go ahead and write down what we've got, just so that you feel like we've got it in order. So we did parentheses right here. We did our exponent right here. Now you would do multiplying or division. So right there, that's what we're going to do next. So we're going to have 4. Come on, 4 minus 4. Why is it minus 4? Because 12 divided by negative 3 is negative 4. And 4 minus 4 is 0. Negative 2 plus 5. Well, that's inside parentheses. We do parentheses first, so that's 3. Times, we can do what's inside those parentheses. That's negative 3. But do not forget that this is being squared. So we're going to do that next. So we have 3 times 9 is 27. Where did I get 9? That's negative 3 squared. All right, so we had one with brackets on the last video down here, and we just said, hey, brackets, parentheses, braces, pretty much the same thing, so don't freak out. We're going to do what's inside of them first. So negative 2 squared, that's 4. Negative 3 squared, that's 9. These guys are still in the brackets, so we can keep kind of focusing on them. 13. And then let's throw this divided by negative 5. Divided by negative 5. And we get our first kind of ugly looking answer because it's a fraction. So negative 13 over 5, that works. You could call it negative 2. Hold up. Negative 2 and 3/5. You call it negative 2.6. Any of those would work. 2 cubed times negative 4. Okay, so if you're feeling a little freaked out, parentheses. We're going to go inside of our parentheses, and then we're going to do the exponents. So 2 cubed is 8. 8 times negative 4, that's negative 32. Plus, well, negative 6 squared is going to be 36. So we have negative 32 plus 36, that's 4. Inside our parentheses, we've got an absolute value. So we can take that absolute value, and it's now 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 squared is 64 minus 4 divided by 2. Well, now we're going to do division. Negative 4 divided by 2. We have 64 minus 2, because negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. This is just 62. Negative 2 cubed, that is 8. Negative 8, because it would look like this. That's 4. 4 times negative 2. I don't know why when I get over to this part of the screen, it likes to mess up. 4 times negative 2, that's negative 8. There we go. Anyway, and then negative 3 squared, that's just 9. This is negative 72. Last but not least, and it looks very tricky, but you guys, just think through. What do you have? Parentheses. I got a big set of parentheses here. And then inside those parentheses, I got another set of parentheses. So let's go and do that. Negative 1 plus 4 is 3. That 3 was being squared, right? In fact, here, we're going to write the rest of the stuff. Okay, now inside the parentheses. So we're still in the parentheses. There are exponents. So we have 3 squared is 9 minus. This minus just drops down because we are now dealing with negative 2 cubed. Negative 2 cubed is negative 8. And then inside our parentheses, we have 9 minus negative 8. That's 9 plus 8. So we have 17 divided by 5. And now we have reached our second and final ugly looking answer. 17 over 5, which could also be, let's see, 3 2/5, which could be 3.4. Any of those are acceptable. So check it out. We did all that. And now this might seem like it's going to be crazy, but you got this.